In this lecture, I'll be showing you how to pick the best chart depending on the dimensions and measures that you have selected. So let's say you are creating a chart based on the order date and sales. So the best chart that Tableau recommends in order to create a visual based on these different measures and dimensions and measures that we have selected, all you would need to do is go to the Show Me panel, and the chart that has a orange square around it, that is the chart that Tableau recommends based on the selection. So since we have selected a date field and a measure sales, the chart that Tableau recommends is the line chart. So if we were to click on the line chart, we can see the sales based on the order date. So according to this, we can see that the sales have been increasing. So this is the best chart that Tableau has recommended. If we were to select a different dimension, let's go with a string field, 2 strings, and a measure. So the chart that Tableau recommends for this visual is a bar chart. So if we were to click on this and sort this, this is the best visual that Tableau recommends based on the selections that we have made. So use the Show Me panel and the orange squares to make decisions on the type of chart that you are trying to create. See, a tree map wouldn't make as much sense in this case since we're working with so many different products. So in this case, this truly is the best chart to use. So this is how you use the Show Me panel tip recommending feature.